Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how you can create Photoshop action and then how you can apply to other image or images. So very easy method. What is actually Photoshop action? Like you can apply one effect or more than one effect to your image, and the same thing, like the same set of effects you can apply to other images just with one click. So you can save, you can record your effects, so in future easily you can apply to other images. So let's start. You will go to a window and actions, or just press alt plus F9 on your keyboard, and here you can see now, first of all we will create a new set. So my new action, okay, for example. And now in this set we will create a new action. Before that I will right click and convert this to smart object, okay, or just control Z. First we create a new action, okay, my first action, okay, this will save in my new actions. Now start the recording. Now I will convert it to smart object, okay. So you can see now here the first thing has been recorded. Convert to smart object. Now we will go to the filter and some blur we will apply, like Gaussian blur if we want, we can apply. So you can see something here, like when I am increasing, you can see the blur how it's looking. So blur first I will apply, okay. Now I will go to the filter and then I will apply something like in stylize find edges, for example, so find edges. Now you can see Gaussian blur and find edges also there, okay, and filter and sharpens, like unsharp mask, okay. You can see the value here like this, you can see. So now you can see I have applied few things, and for example, like find edges and unsharp mask, yeah, we can see here all these things. So now what I will do, just stop this section, okay, and now select this my new actions and click here, and here you can see save actions. So that will save in this actions folder, default folder, okay. And now if we open this image, okay, and we can select like my first action and just play selection. So you can see all things. You can see smart filters, like we converted it to smart filter in this image. I converted, yes, smart object, that has been applied, smart object. And then you can see Gaussian blur also, we can see find edges and unsharp mask also. So like 4 effects we recorded in this image, and then we applied in this image just with the play button. And as you saw, like I saved also action. And one more thing, like you can go to file, scripts, image processor, and here you can also click on run actions, and you can select the images to process. You can select use open images, or you can even select the folder of images, okay. And then from here run actions, like my new actions, you can see also, you can see here. And inside this set we have my first action that we can run from here. So if you want to apply to multiple images or the open images, like the images which are open, you can apply to all of them. I hope you have learnt a lot in this video about the Photoshop action. So how to create the Photoshop action, how to save the action, and how to apply it to the image. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much once again.